Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will show you how to upgrade to premium on Elsa Speak. First, open the Elsa application. Then tap on Go Premium on top right corner. Here, you can upgrade to premium and unlock all Elsa benefits. And if you want to start 7-day free trial, then tap on blue button. Or you see more plans, then tap on see more plans. Here, so many several plans are there. 3 months plan, 1 year plan, also have student plans in 3 months and 1 year. You take premium, there are so many benefits are there. Ads free, AI coach is free, AI role play is free, and learning path is also free, and student course is free, and business course is free. So if you want to take any plan and select the plan, if you select one plan and tap on the blue button, then which plan is you like, then select that plan and tap on the blue button, then subscribe. So that's about that video. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe our channel. Thank you.